What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to withdraw from Go Mining. So go ahead and open the Go Mining app and make sure you're on the Home tab, and at the top left corner you can tap on the hamburger menu, and then you're going to scroll to where you have wallets. Tap on BTC, and here you have virtual and Bitcoin. When you've earned some coins, you will have them here in your virtual wallet. In order to send them to your BTC, you'll need to add a BTC virtual wallet. As you can see, we have ours here, and if you don't, you will be prompted to add one. Go ahead and tap on the arrow pointing to the right, just beside the settings button, and here you can see manual BTC withdrawal. Do take note that you'll need to pass your KYC in order to make a successful withdrawal. The recipient address is here, you can confirm it with what you're supposed to have, and then you could also put the amount of BTC you'd like to withdraw. Do take note about the fees, and then take note of what you receive, and then when all of this is filled, you have the next button enabled for you to press. So go ahead and press on the next, and you'll be taken to where you can confirm your withdrawal. So this is how to withdraw from Go Mining.